All right, you guys, I already know before y'all say something, yes, I've been doing too many purchases on handbags, but these have been good and they've been on sale. So will I be done? Girl, y'all know how I get down. But I had to put you guys on game and tell you guys obviously about the Geiger handbag. I purchased mine off Nordstrom's. If you're on Facebook, first of all, if you're on Facebook, I blame Black Luxury for Women on Facebook. I'll post a link to their channel. It's Brown Girls in Luxury on Facebook. When I tell you guys that I follow this page and it is all things luxury for Black girls, definitely check out their Facebook page. You must be a woman of color to be able to join, but there's so many things on there and so many women just celebrating success. And it's not just luxury handbags, it's girls, go get you a Starbucks, job promotions, increases, whatever it is, it's Black women empowering Black women. I am not administrator of this group. I was actually added to this group by a friend, and I've got so inspired that when I tell you guys that, yeah, there are some things on there that they do shop, and this was one of them. Now this, I know you like, doesn't this look similar? It does, but Geiger is a fashion designer in London, and now his bags are sold in Nordstrom's and on Nordstrom's rack. So I purchased mine off Nordstrom's rack because, girl, the price of these bags are about the price of Tory Burch bags. But when I tell you guys that this is what I fell in love with, it is larger than most of the bags I have. And with Chanel going up on their prices and things, I always like to find dupes or alternatives to get a bag that I want. Now they do have an extra large that a lot of women was recommending that they get. It comes in different styles, different designs, different colors. They even got shoes and everything. But I know you guys are like, really, Mika? Look at the details on this bag. And then shout out to Teresa Renee, because y'all know she usually always blames me for purchases, but this time I blame her, because when I was like, should I get the bag? She was like, don't ask me, I already got a bag. So I knew then, like, if Teresa got the bag, I definitely had to get the bag. But I'm gonna go ahead and include some mod shots. I know you guys want to know, I keep this short and simple and sweet. This bag was $175. It was 40% off the regular price. Definitely check Nordstrom's rack. I will include the link to this bag if you're wondering. This bag is, and I'll tell you. All right, so if you're wondering, this is the Geiger SoHo large leather bag. This retails for $295. I paid $274.97. I got it off Nordstrom's rack. There's so many colors on here. There's so many different styles. Most of the bags are a little bit between, I would say there's 53 styles right now currently in the Nordstrom's rack website, and they're between 40 to 50% off. Some of them are even more. As I'm looking on here, they're up, some are going up to 54% off. So definitely check the Nordstrom's website. I will include it. These bags go. I will also include the link to Brown Girl Luxury Facebook page if you're definitely interested, just to go in and like scope, meet women, get inspired, feel empowered, share your good news. Definitely do that. But short and sweet, you guys know I like to give it to you short and sweet. Now I include the mod shots and all the details, and of course I will come back to let you guys know a handbag review. Until then, if you love handbags videos, if you love makeup videos or anything, please subscribe to my channel. You guys know I'm always giving you guys different videos and videos that I want to share, and content and ideas. So if there's anything that you want to see or you want to see me try or explore, definitely leave a comment down below. Hello to all my new subscribers again, and I will talk to you guys soon. Stay blessed. Bye.